Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power sources and making the first moves. Use a known good HP outlet charger or a USB-C PD charger to check if the Chromebook responds. Swapping the cable rules out a bad lead. Next, perform a hard reset by holding power for about 10 to 15 seconds to clear transient faults. While charging, inspect the charging port and LED indicators for debris or damage so you don't force a faulty connector into the device. Once done with basics, move to layered troubleshooting. Remove all peripherals and boot with only the charger. This isolates power draw issues. If it still won't power, try the ESC Plus Refresh Plus power sequence to access recovery or built-in diagnostics so you can test hardware without booting Chrome OS. If you're comfortable opening the case, disconnect or reseat the battery and internal power connector to fix poor contacts. This often resolves no charge states by restoring electrical continuity. Finish by attempting firmware and recovery options. Create a Chrome recovery USB to rule out corrupted firmware, and if available, flash any recommended BIOS updates following HP instructions. These can correct charging controller bugs. Test with an external battery bank or a known good replaceable battery module to confirm whether the battery or the motherboard is at fault. If you still get nothing, one key tip: stop powering attempts and consult an authorized.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.